Yeah, so welcome to day 9. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't call it day 9, I should call it episode 9 because it's been more than 9 days. Right, but welcome to day 9. That's what we're using. Days. Okay, so close this. And this is the workflow builder. Okay, so we're going to continue with the builder today. And it seems my network is not so good today. It's not so good. And I'm using Starlink. Got it recently. Let's do this. I think I might be behind on my payments or something. Let's see. You asked them to build my account. Okay. Let's see. On the app. And account. See data usage. Yeah, I've used 56 gig so far. I haven't used much. Um, I'm using standard. Let me just make my payments. Um, my 25. Okay. Just trying to make the payment. Um, let's check how much do I have on my account. I'm literally just having it's 36,000, 38,000. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. Lots of money. Let me go to my carbon. Let me go to 5. It's 38, so let me go to 9 there, so I have extra. We're gonna start coding in a bit. Just trying to make sure the network, the streaming bitrate is okay, because currently you see the streaming bitrate is about 1525, right? Which is not good, which is lower. payment doesn't go through, we might as well just continue in the live stream. Because there's an issue with the banking system recently. Oh God. Alright. So I made the withdrawal to keep it. And after this, I still have to go payment will be first. It seems the banking system is still having issues, so we might as well just continue with what we have. And I sent some money yesterday, but till now it's still processing. Still what? Still processing. So can't wait for this processing stage, because this is not acceptable. Okay, so you got it. It's came in. Okay, and now still have my processing here. Okay. So now the transaction came in, and you just have to make the payment for the Starlink. Submit. $37.6. Let's check which card is 30.76. Okay, it's this card, and that's where I put the money. So we're expecting them to make two charges, and we haven't really used much. too much. The streaming bitrate is still very small, very low, but we will be charged the account and we can get a better network. But I think it's been a week or two now since I've been trying to charge. Since I've been trying to charge the account, so yeah. So let's get started. So again, it starts there and Schema on there, right? And 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 and. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be dealing with the front end integration, like which we were doing yesterday, right? I think I had a network out yesterday, and then like the streaming just stopped automatically by itself. I mean, I didn't know the reason, but I knew the live stream just stopped, and I didn't want to record another like live stream or something, so I just left it, and like these are still dummy. Um, the create task is also still dummy as well. So anything on the dashboard is currently done because we want to finish everything else, right? Then we can add a task. We need to make it beautiful. Okay, I don't know what this delete is, but I know this delete. Okay, I think I probably was just testing things out. That was why I put the delete there. And I think we have the same thing here as well. Okay. Yeah, so to the workflow. We are not saving the workflows yet, right? And since we are not, one thing that I want to revert back is this. Nodes connectable is false, draggable. Let's put that back to false. So that like even if we drag on a node, like you're able to move the whole panel. Okay. So now the hard button is working, just the positioning that is wrong, right? We are not getting the events the apps down here, right? As you can see, but this is what we're going to be doing. Is uh, let's get rid of all this. It's in the node settings, right? So we're getting the selected node type, and we're setting the type inside of node element, right? So what we can do is we can do the props, right? For the type, we have to set the type to be event type dot action type. String. Let's see if that goes. Let me go console log this. or we can literally just show it here as well. 0 and 1. But that's not what we. So the action. Let's go to the workflow here. We're using selected node to the node props. Okay, let's revert it back. Let's have it as what it was, right? We're just passing the props, right? And in here, right, we can say the type equals type equal action. Then we want to use event type dot action, else event type dot trigger. Right. Wait. Type. So let's do type of type. So we can check the console, and when we click on this, is string, right? And if we try to get the filter, just the filter menu, we get this empty. If we do like the filter, we're just gonna get everything, like everything. That's not gonna show you, but we're going to get everything, right? But everything, it's not everything that have the type. Now you see the type is 1, the type is 2. So that might be what. So instead of being trigger, so I think what we just have to do is so it's saying 0, 1. That is not what I want. As much as I want I don't want to be storing 0, 1 in the database, because like that absolutely won't make sense. Right? But if we follow what we're doing here previously, we might be able to get what we want in here. Right now you see we have the web hook, we have the stripe, right? And that is going to work. Okay. I mean, let's go along with that. let's go along with that. So now in the node settings, getting the type. Now here, the selected app. So get app event option, and now we have to pass in the app. So default value is nothing. So like reload this page and click on this, you select an app, and like you can select the app. But in here, unless we pass in like, let's say web hook, then nothing is going to show you. Like don't you have anything? I mean, we show her app is a string and it returns options. For option, I'm still going to add some stuff to the options. I need the icons, I need the description, but those are going to be optional for options. Right. So for the get app event, we're checking the available node. We are finding a node whose name is equals to app. Right. So let's see if that is even available. So console.log. Yes. For this, and it's undefined. Even though in the node settings you have web hook. Even though we had web hook, the app is coming through. Okay, let's say get available nodes dot find the node whose node dot name equals app. Is a string, and this is also a string. Let's do equal, just one equal, and it's still undefined. Okay, what if we say stripe? Okay, we got a stripe. Webhook is undefined, so that means the name might be. There you go. So that was the problem. So you can get rid of this.